Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Climbing the Ladder by Toir. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have an anti-king constraint. What that means is that it's like a no touch, right? That's sometimes called no touch. So whatever this cell is, let's look at all the digits surrounding that cell. The diagonals are the important ones, but none of the cells that touch this, basically anything a king could capture in chess, right? Can't be the same. So if this was a 2, then I'm not allowed to put a 2 in any of these green cells. Sudoku would let me put it here, but anti-king does not. So anti-king says no 2 digits can touch each other, even diagonally. No 2 of the same digit, I mean. Additionally, we have these white dots in the grid. These are called difference dots, or consecutive dots if you prefer. They separate consecutive digits. So if this was a 2, this could be a 3 or a 1 if you ignore all the rest of the grid, because they just need to be consecutive. I could put a 1, 2 over here. There's no dot. That's perfectly fine. Not all the dots are necessarily given. So we just have this positive information about these dots. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so how do we want to get started? None of these are 1, right? So we need a 1 up here. And obviously it's going to be at one of the ends. So we either go 1, 2, 3, or we go 1, 2, 3. So this is always a 2. And now there must be a 2 in one of these ends. So we can't go 2, 1, what, right? We can't go back up to 2. So we're going to go either 2, 3, 4 or 2, 3, 4, right? So this is always a 3. And so these are going to be 1, 5, 6. These are going to be 4, 5, 6. Okay, what can I do with this? This is from 4, 5, 6 as well. This is 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3. There we go. So these have to be the 3 and the 4 in order to be consecutive. So that makes this the 2 and the 4. We can't put a 2 here anymore. That doesn't seem to matter at the moment. What can I do here? 1, 3, 5, 6. So I need a 2 down here somewhere, and it's not going to be next to the 4, 5, 6. Very nice. So that's the 2. This can't be a 3 because of the anti-king, and it can't be a 4. So it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is from 5, 6. Let's put these in. This is 2, 3, 4, and this is 1, 5, 6. These aren't the same digit. This 2 can't be here, so that's a 4. These aren't 4s. I'm sorry if you hear a commotion in the background. There's kids playing with a dog. All right. There's a 2 down here. Oh, the 2 actually just goes here in this column. This is from not 1, so this is from 5, 6. That's a 5, 6 pair, so this is a 3, 4 pair. This is from 1, 5, 6. There's a 1 in one of these two. All right, so these ones line up, right? Where's 1 in this column? I should have seen this 5, 6 pair. That's a 1. That's not a 1. What else can I do here? I feel like it's this white dot here. So what can I actually put here? I can't put 1, 2. I could put 3. I can't put 4. I could put 5, 6. Now, if this ended up a 5, if this was actually from 5, 6, this ends up a 5, 6 pair, making this a 4, making this a 5, right? So this can never be 6, basically. If I do 6, 5, that breaks this cell. That's an easier way to see that. So this is either 3, 4, or 5, 4, or 5, 6. So this is never a 5. Another way to put that is you always have an even digit and an odd digit on a white dot. And since this is odd, this must be even. This is a 5, 6 pair, though, so I should have seen that. That's a 4. But then I wouldn't have been able to do all those cool deductions. This is 3, 5, 6. Now, what can I do with that? All right. My white dot doesn't tell me this order. Sorry, there's a lot of noise in the background right now. I'm not sure how much you can hear, but I'm getting a little distracted. That's okay. We march forward with this solve. Okay, maybe I color the 5, 6s. I don't know if this is necessary, but let's make this green and this purple. That makes this purple. That didn't seem to do much, did it? I mean, there's a green, there we go. Yeah, this sees a 5, 6 pair. Yeah, I had to color it to notice that. But this sees both green and purple through nice move, or not nice move, through king's move and Sudoku. So this has to be the 3. This is 5. That's 6, 5, 6. Don't need these colors anymore. Probably never needed them. That's a 1, 6 pair. That's a 4, 5 pair. We get the 1 and the 3 here, the 6 and the 5, the 1, 6, and 5. All right, and I'm sure we have a king's move somewhere. There we go. So that's 4 and 3. That's 5 and 4. That's 6 and 5. That's 2 and 3. That's 1 and 2. That's 1 and 6. And we're done. All righty. Well, thanks, Toir. That was a neat puzzle. I liked this 5-6 pair resolving everything. That was really cool. Took me a bit to see, but I thought to color them, and then that really helped. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this as well, and the kids and dogs playing in the background. And of course, if you enjoyed this, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.